Route all SoftStart wires into electrical box. Step 1. Follow red compressor wire from compressor to contactor block T2 terminal. Disconnect wire. If necessary, cut I-ring off and crimp female on wire. Connect blue SoftStart wire to red compressor wire. Tape or use shrink sleeve on connection. Step 2. Connect black SoftStart wire on T2 terminal, where the red compressor wire was. Step 3. Connect yellow SoftStart wire on an H-HERM terminal on the run capacitor. Step 4. If you see a second brown wire on an H-HERM terminal, disconnect and tape wire end and drop. Step 5. Follow black compressor wire from compressor to T1 terminal of contactor block. Disconnect. If necessary, cut I-ring off and crimp female disconnect on wire. Then connect to brown SoftStart wire, tape or use shrink sleeve on connection. Step 6. Connect red SoftStart wire on T1 terminal, where the black compressor wire was. Turn power and breaker on. Turn AC on. Set thermostat to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at run LED. One light should be green. With a green light that's on, shut AC down and mount SoftStart and replace all covers. Turn AC back on. Raise thermostat near current outside temp and run 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, operate normally.